To send crypto with a QR code, you will need a few basic tools and some knowledge of how cryptocurrency transactions work. First, you need to have a cryptocurrency wallet that supports QR code transactions. Most modern wallets, including mobile and desktop applications, have this feature. Next, you need to ensure that the wallet is funded with the cryptocurrency you want to send. If you do not have any cryptocurrency in your wallet, you will need to purchase some or transfer it from another wallet. Now, to send crypto with a QR code, follow these steps. Open your cryptocurrency wallet and navigate to the Send or Transfer section. Here, you will see an option to scan a QR code or enter the recipient's wallet address manually. Choose the option to scan a QR code. The recipient will need to share their QR code with you. This QR code contains their wallet address and other relevant information. Hold your device's camera over the QR code until it is recognized and the wallet address is populated in the Send section of your wallet. Once the wallet address is populated, you will need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Make sure to double-check the wallet address and the amount before proceeding, as cryptocurrency transactions are irreversible. After entering the amount, review the transaction details, including the recipient's wallet address, the amount, and any transaction fees. If everything is correct, confirm the transaction. The transaction will be processed on the blockchain and may take a few minutes to several hours to be confirmed, depending on the network congestion and the transaction fees paid. Once the transaction is confirmed, the recipient will receive the cryptocurrency. It is essential to follow best practices when sending crypto with a QR code. Always verify the recipient's wallet address and ensure that you are sending the correct amount. Be cautious when scanning QR codes from unknown sources, as they may be phishing scams. Additionally, keep your wallet and device secure with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily send crypto with a QR code. This method is convenient and reduces the risk of errors, as the wallet address is populated automatically. Remember to always prioritize security and verify transaction details before confirming a transaction.